In this video, we are going to show you how to set up conversion tracking within your Google Ads account. Setting conversion tracking helps to measure how well your ads are performing by measuring conversion-relevant actions users take on your website. This information can help you optimize your campaigns to achieve your overall advertising goals, such as increasing sales, generating leads, or driving traffic to your website. There are 2 steps to set up conversion tracking. 1. Create a conversion action in your account. 2. Install the Google tag on your website. To create a conversion action, you need to go to Goals, then Conversions. Click the Add New Conversion Action button to create a new conversion action. You can decide what you want to track, an action on your website, app, or a phone call. You can also upload conversions that you have previously collected. We will be focusing on website conversions. Enter the URL and click Scan. You'll see 2 options to create a conversion action. You may either create a conversion action based on URLs from your website, or create conversions with the advanced option using code snippets. The easiest option is to create conversion actions using your website's URLs. This option still requires installing the Google tag across your website. However, this is an easier solution because you can rely on your one Google tag to measure conversions. Just add the Google tag once and create all your future conversions without any coding. You should use this option if you want to track page loads for specific URLs. However, if you want to track dynamic conversion values, transaction IDs, or other custom parameters, or if you want to track clicks on links or buttons, you should use the manual option. If you have more advanced measurement needs and prefer to use Google Tag Manager, you should also use the manual option. Click Save and Continue to proceed to the next step. For more information, visit the Google Ads Help Center.